Welcome back to A Taste of K. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make cream of mushroom pork chops. The ingredients I'll be using to clean the pork chops are salt, lime, as well as vinegar. I'll also use 2 tablespoons of epice, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, ground cloves, lime, mushroom, salt, 2 cans of cream of mushroom, condensed soup. In this picture, you'll see a bottle of oil, but I ended up baking the pork chop instead of frying the pork chop, so I did not use the oil. Stay tuned. This pork chop is bone in and they're quite big pieces. So what I'm going to do is go through it, remove any visible fat, and the big pieces, I'm going to trim them down into smaller pieces. Now that I've removed the fat and trimmed the pork chop into smaller pieces, I'll rinse under cold water. I'll add salt, vinegar, as well as this lemon blend to let the pork chops marinate in the citrus marinade for about 5 minutes. This lemon blend is a great alternative if you can't get your hands on fresh lemon or lime. After allowing the pork chop to sit in the citrus marinade for 5 minutes, I went ahead and rinsed under cool water. Add epice, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cloves, cayenne pepper, salt, the juice of 1 lime, and mix until each piece of pork chop is covered with the marinade. Cover and allow to marinate for about 1 hour. It's even better to let it marinate overnight, which is what I did with this recipe. I preheated the oven to the broil setting. Now I'm adding the pork chops to this aluminum pan. Place the pork chops in the oven and allow to cook on the broil setting for a few minutes until it has a nice brown color. Flip and do the same thing to the other side. While I'm waiting for the pork chops to brown in the oven, I'm going to empty out the 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. Using the same can of the cream of mushroom soup, I'll go ahead and add 1 can of water. Mix until well combined. Add garlic powder as well as onion powder. At this point, the pork chop is done browning in the oven. As you can see, it produced its own liquid. I'll go ahead and add that liquid to the cream of mushroom soup. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the aluminum foil that has the pork chop, I'm going to add the sliced mushrooms. Add the cream of mushroom soup mixture. Off camera, I added 1 more can of water. Cover with aluminum foil and cook in an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven. Remove the aluminum foil. Baste each piece of pork chop with the cream of mushroom sauce. Place back in the oven uncovered and cook for another 30 minutes. After a total of 1 hour of cooking in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, here you have the final product: cream of mushrooms pork chop. I serve this cream of mushroom pork chops over a bed of garlic mashed potato, as well as a side of collard greens and cabbage. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.